Question 1b says x over y equals 2 and y over z equals 3. Find the value of x plus y over y plus z. Looking at this question, the hint is we're supposed to use this to solve this question. And if I were you, I'll start with how can I make this x look like this. So one thing I'll do is I'll divide all through by y. So at least I'll get this part solved. So I have x plus y over y plus z. Divide all through by y, which is going to be x over y plus y over y. Then we'll have y over y plus z over y. So each of the values, we'll divide them by y, which would equal to x over y. Y will cancel y plus 1 over y will cancel y. 1 plus z over y. Looking at this part, let's now look back at our initial question. We have y over z equals 2. So this part equals 2. Now looking at this, we have y over z, but here we have z over y. So how do we now turn this y over z to make it z over y? So let's say we have our y over z equals 3, which you can also say equals 3 over 1. If we flip this, if we flip the y to the position of the z and the z to the position of the numerator, we should also flip this and flip this down. So we have z over y is the same thing as 1 over 3. We can therefore go back to the equation and substitute this into the equation. We go back to the equation we derived and substitute each of the values into it. We have our x over y as 2 from the initial equation. X over y is 2, and we derive our z over y as 1 over 3. So let's go down and solve. We have x over y plus 1 over 1 plus z over y. We have 2 plus 1, that's our x over y is 2 over 1 plus z over y, which we derive from y over z, will be 1 over 3. We add the upper one, the numerator, which will give you 3. 2 plus 1, 3. Then we add the denominator, which is below. A whole number plus a fraction will give you the whole number and the fraction. That's 1 whole number 1 over 3. And you can find the LCM and solve it the other way if you prefer. Then we convert the mixed fraction at the bottom to an improper fraction. That's 3 times 1, 3, plus 1, 4. We have 4 over 3. We can further break this down. We have 3 over 4 over 3, which is also 3 divided by 4 over 3. That's the dividing line turns into the dividing sign. So we have 3 divided by 4 over 3 because this is together from the start. So we have 3 times 3 over 4. Changing division into multiplication means we'll flip the fractions. So our answer is 9 over 4, which is finally 2 whole number 1 over 4.